Every generation is shaped by the knowledge it preserves. An age of constant distraction, authentic Islamic scholarship remains one of the greatest sources of clarity, certainty, and guidance. Welcome to Bayt Al Qissa, a growing library dedicated to preserving and sharing beneficial lectures from some of the most respected scholars and teachers of our time, firmly rooted in the tradition of Ahl al Sunnah wa Jama'ah. Here, you will find carefully curated lectures, reflections, and conversations from renowned scholars including Dr. Umar Farooq Abdullah, Sheikh Hamza Yusuf, Sheikh Yahya Rodas, Sheikh Abdul Hakim Murad, Sheikh Asrar Rashid, and many other distinguished scholars who continue the legacy of traditional Sunni scholarship. Explore topics that have guided Muslims for centuries: the Qur'an and its meanings, the blessed life of our Master Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Aqidah, Fiqh, Tazkiyah, and the purification of the heart, Islamic history and civilization, family, character, purpose, and the challenges facing Muslims in the modern world. Every lecture is selected with care to preserve authentic knowledge, strengthen faith, cultivate sound understanding, and inspire a deeper connection with Allah. Whether you are beginning your journey of seeking sacred knowledge or continuing it, Bayt Al Qissa is a place to learn from trusted scholars of Ahl al Sunnah wa Jama'ah and benefit from a rich tradition that spans generations. Subscribe today and join a growing community committed to preserving authentic Islamic scholarship and sharing beneficial knowledge with the world.